So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to channel for the latest job updates, career tips and industry insights. And guess what? One of the world's biggest tech giants, NTT Data, is hiring right now. And if you are a software developer or someone passionate about building tech that matters, then this opportunity might just perfect for you. Or even if you are a freshers and are willingness to join NTT Data and have the necessary skill sets in Python, CPP, Java, or other programming language that we'll be discussing, then you are good to go for this particular role. Let's break down everything you need to know from role, location, skill, box, and most importantly, how you can apply. But before going deep into the details, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, follow the notes because we are bringing three important hiring, especially on this particular YouTube channel. And also, if you have not turned on notification bell, so turn on that because you'll keep getting notification once we upload our video. So that's it. Let's dive into the details now. So as you can see, the job description, I mean, the designation is of a software application developer, development engineer, and this is available in two locations, which is Hyderabad and Mumbai. And it's a full-time opportunity with the hybrid work model and under the category of digital design and development. So let's understand a little bit about the company, which is Entity Data. So Entity Data is basically a $30 billion global innovator in business and tech services. They work with 75% of the Fortune Global 100 and invest $3.6 billion annually in research and development. Whether it's AI, data consulting, cloud, or infrastructure, this company is shaping the digital future across 50 plus countries. Oh, they are also an officially recognized global top employer. So now let's directly discuss the key responsibilities for this particular role. So as you can see over here, they have mentioned the key responsibilities for this role. So you'll be basically involved into building application tailored to client objectives, writing and maintaining optimized application code, plus debugging, testing, and adapting software to work across platforms. Not just that, you'll also involve into participating in software reviews, client discussions, and documentations. You'll also install apps, consult with clients, and be a good to tech advisor. Plus, you will also be maintaining trackers and attend regular sprint planning meetings. So these all are going to be your somewhat roles and responsibilities once you join Entity Data as application software development engineer. So now let me directly discuss the skills and qualification for this role, which you can see over here. So you should be, proficient in Java, C++, Perl, or Python, or you should have the knowledge of, operating systems like Windows, Linux, Unix, kind of that. Plus, you should also have the knowledge of SQL and database handling, and working knowledge of Agile development, especially Scrum preferred. And if you are having a certification in Agile or something, then it is again preferred. And you must have the knowledge of IDs, which is integrated development environment. Either it is there are so many like right Eclipse or IntelliJ, there are so many there. So if you have those knowledge, again, it's gonna be a preferred one. And education requirement, as they have mentioned over here, so you must have a bachelor degree in computer science or related field. With a certification in Java, Python, C++, or similar is going to be a plus. Plus, Scrum or PM certification is preferred. Basically, a project management certification or Scrum certification is preferred for this role. And you are a great fit if you have a problem-solving mindset, working in a team and communicating effectively, pay strong attention to detail, understand system complexity, and build user-focused solutions. So if you have these things, these qualities, then this job is for you. And let me discuss the perks and benefits of joining Entity Data. So Entity Data, ensure equal opportunity regardless of age, gender, religion, or background. And with their hybrid work model, you'll enjoy a flexible, collaborative, and growth mindset environment. So are you ready to join? So go and check out the link in description and apply as soon as possible because you have mentioned direct link to make your work easier. And yeah, if you want to enjoy this video, you can like this video, subscribe to our channel, follow the notes because we are bringing three important hirings especially on this particular YouTube channel. And also comment below if you have any doubts, or even if you're applying, you can just put a comment so that it can reach to other candidates who might be interested in this particular role. And we keep bringing daily job updates, so you can just share this channel with your other colleagues or friends who are looking to switch into new role, or who are looking for a job as a fresher as well. And also we are coming with in-depth data analytics series on our other channel with 20 plus hands-on projects. So you can subscribe to that other channel as well, which is Force Tech. We have mentioned the link for that also in descriptions. And you can also join our WhatsApp and Telegram community for more job updates, like that kind of jobs. So yeah, this was our this wonderful hiring, and all the best for your applications.